I'm making my coffee.
He's still writing my checks.
It's an even swap. I think it's fair. I get coffee, he gets a check, everybody happy.
If only that's all I had to do.
He's also driving.
I might as well be a butler.
Hey,
Hey, we got to turn.
if I don't give this guy directions, we all die. Ow. Good night. They just died in the back.
We're on a major sleep deprivation, all of us, from this week and last week. So there's really no telling what could happen today.
I'll tell you what's going to happen today. We're going to get the job done today is what we're going to do. I'll be doing a set of steps. Kyle and the boys.
Which nobody knew about but Joshua, but he claims that we all knew, you know, that he was doing the steps, which is going to take an extra 4 or 5 hours. Probably.
I ain't that slow.
No good?
You should let me have the camera because I got to move. And then like all the way through that corn.
Dude.
Just like that, and in the wind, perfect. Lens flare. Perfect. I'm the video guy. Hey, you're wasting time.
Yeah. Could already been done with the job.
Wait! Alright, all good. So we are going to be doing about 1,300 square foot of laminate in the bottom floor of the house. I'll be doing a set of steps and then helping them try to wrap up. Oh, I can't see what's going on. Hey,
And try to video something. Thank you. However many millions away.
Perfect. Wasn't that perfect? Kyle, you don't know how to video, so this is how you do it. Bam. All right, so we are headed to a job, and we are going to try to video today. We've had all kinds of people, like all 4 of you, have asked us to do a video. So we are going to put one out there today. And well, no, not today. It depends on how fast Kyle can get it edited.
Hey guys, watch this.
Stupid. Oh well, we're here.
Holy cow.
Hey, it's been for you.
Yeah, he's pretty good at it.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Now he's expecting a treat.
We made it to the job site, of course, as you've now seen. So we're getting ready to start doing this room. Got our time lapse there set up. Capture the whole thing for you, and we're gonna see exactly how fast we can knock this out. Joshua's doing the steps right now, working on that. So we're gonna start laying out material in all of these areas that you've seen, and then we are going to lay it. We're gonna lay it. 3:15 and we're still not done with the laminate. But Joshua's going even slower at the steps. But we still got that other big step. None of us ate breakfast. None of us have eaten lunch. I'm starving, and I am so ready to have this job done. I better get this cleaned up.
What?
It's full now. I think we're good. Hey, he's bringing the skid steer around. That is where we are eating because we're starving.
Hey, you.
Me and Rodney smoked out all the money making stuff. Joshua,
Got the other
I don't know. I guess he did anyways.
Did the hard stuff.
There you have it. There you have it. That makes him look
I did
good.
the stuff to make sure we get paid.
All right, well, we're fixing to eat.
9 foot.
I'm ready to eat.
Don't ring
And
the bell on
we
it.
finished the job. We got our money. We're headed home. See that right there? That right there. Uh-huh. That is what y'all need to hit right down beside that red button. If you want to see any more of our videos in the future, we probably ain't ever gonna do that video, are we?
Well, we'll try to. But I hope y'all saw that set of steps that I just did, because that thing was tough. That was a massive, that was the biggest set of steps any of y'all have ever
Probably
seen, I
was.
promise you that.
You should have seen that floor I did by myself while Kyle was videoing the whole time.
Kyle's this true?
So, thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Joshua, anything you want to say?
I think.
I just wanted to do this.
Wow. All right. And we're ending the video. Okay. See ya. All right, I got my food.
Alright, they didn't get my order.
They didn't get yours?
They did not.
Really? What are those?
This is Ryan's.
All right, we gotta go back and get Joshua's food, but mine's here.
Do you have the receipt?